So today's job is, if you guys remember the job that was abandoned by another contractor and it looked like a swamp and we came in and finished it, well, it struck again. I don't know if you can see this with the sun, how well you can see that. He left this one. He left that one. He did the excavation, passed the he failed the excavation inspection once, came back, did everything right, and passed it. He was telling the homeowners, they're building this house, but he was telling the homeowners to call in for the inspections, pull the permit. When you call in for the inspections, don't tell them that it's a company doing it. Well, he didn't have a company. He didn't have a contractor's license either. So that's why he was telling them that. So they didn't know, and they thought that it was the homeowner doing their own septic. But here we go. We're going to finish this. We're going to pump all this water out of this hole. Today we're going to fill the hole in, get our drain field base laid in, get the tank set. We're going to try to get the tank set up high enough to where no lift stations required, and then we'll fan it in with grade it in with the property level and make it real nice for them, but that way they don't have to worry about a pump. Let's get to it. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're subscribing and liking. Bye bye. So we got the tank in, got the excavator bucket sitting on top of it because there's no water out here and I don't want it to float. So we're gonna get some water in the pump truck and we're gonna put it in there. We also got the hole filled in, pumped out and filled in. So gonna let that all sit and we'll be back in the morning to grade it, lay the drain field, get it inspected, and then move on to the next one. A lot of groundwater. I mean, other than that, everything went pretty smooth today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Woo! we got this one in. 500 square foot drain field above ground. No lift station, so it's not pumped. It's just gravity fed. We're gonna fade all that stuff in back behind me real nice and blend it in. They got the house up a little higher, so we're gonna blend it in with the side yard and make it look real nice, so you won't even be able to tell there's a mountain here. It's hot as usual. That should be the name of this YouTube channel. It's hot. Tank went in good, drain field went in good. On to the next one. We're gonna go put a tank and a lift station in, and then come back in the morning and do the drain field on that one. So bye bye. Got the tank in, we got the lift station in, and now we're starting it on the drain field of this job. The other job we did yesterday or the day before being inspected right now, hopefully today, and then we're going to cover both of these jobs tomorrow. This is a wet one, a lot of groundwater. I don't think we captured any of the groundwater on the cameras, but there's a shitload of groundwater here, and it's making things very, very tough. The tanks were really hard to get in. Having to fight all the water, make sure they don't float. So it is what it is. But we're gonna get started before the sun. We got some shade right now, so we're gonna get this drain field laid before the sun pops out from behind that tree. Woo. We did it! We got it in. 270 square foot system. Bam! Nice and easy. Drain field at least. The drain field was the easiest part of this whole job. Been fighting groundwater every step of the way, even digging the pump line hole trench. Had a bunch of groundwater just appear out of nowhere, and it was only about 18 inches deep, so alright, we're gonna get inspected tomorrow. The other one's getting inspected today, so tomorrow is skid steer day. And you all know how excited I am to be back on my baby and have her back. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye. Alright, we're back at this job. We got the all clear for cover. I love cover days. When it's nothing but cover and I get to be on my skid steer, AirPods in and music up. It's my favorite work days. So we're going to cover this one, and hopefully the other one will be inspected. We can haul ass over there, cover that one too. Woo! Get to work, baby. Monday morning. I have already broken my trailer, loading the machine on. That's the third time. Count that, 3 times. We had a flat tire on the trailer this morning. So it's definitely Monday, it's confirmed. Right now, we are replacing an old Snyder plastic tank that somebody thought was all right to bury that thing really deep. So right now we're pumping out the old tank, and we're gonna put them in a nice infiltrator tank at the right depth so they don't have any issues. Let me show you the collapse real quick. And then after this, I got a meeting with a construction company. Hopefully that goes good. And that's it for the day. They didn't even have to bury it as deep as they did. The pipe is only about 10 inches below grade, and yet they 45 down another 2 feet. So they could have set this thing up nice and high, probably not even had to put in a lift station, but they did all that. So here we are, we're fixing it. We're gonna get these folks taken care of, and we're gonna get it all done. And they're right, we're gonna get it all done.
Yeah,
getting it all done.
Every last bit of it.
Woo! Alright, that's it for this week's video. Another busy and I'm sure very wet week ahead. We got 5 storms out in the Atlantic right now, headed towards Florida, so we got a whole lot of rain. We're gonna need a boat before it's over. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing. Follow us on Instagram at Lakeland Septic Company. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. I'm out.